Alright, so the problem we have right now is the M.2 is showing up in the BIOS, but is not showing up in Windows. So what I'm going to do is go down to the Start menu and start typing in the word partition, and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. And you'll see here this 120 gigabyte one is what we want to do, and we want to right click on it and then choose New Simple Volume and click Next, and you should be able to just leave that alone. Click Next again, and you can assign a drive letter. I'm just going to leave it as D, which is the next one alphabetically. Click Next. I'm going to leave it as NTFS. I can give it a new name. Let's see, so this is my... Let's see if this works. I'm not sure if it's going to work with the dash or not. So light on SSD. Click Next and finish. And there we go. It shows up.